we're diving into the world of street racing and wild police pursuits. Officers deal with drivers who blast through traffic, ignore every rule, or run illegal races, but the law always catches up eventually. In this compilation, you'll see crazy chases, unbelievable situations, and moments that feel straight out of a movie. If you're new here, welcome. It's not only in Fast and Furious or in the game GTA that you see wild car chases. Sometimes in real life, they're even more unbelievable than fiction. And if anyone knows, tell us in the comments. To stop fleeing cars, police officers use a road spike strip. This Mitsubishi driver was pulled over for speeding, but judging by what he does next, I'd say his criminal record must already be pretty full.
Don't do it. Oh, idiot. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Oh my god. Why would he do that?
These gatherings of car enthusiasts are closely monitored by the police. All it takes is pressing the accelerator a bit too hard for them to show up with flashing lights.
Dude, he's not gonna make it.
This driver must have done something serious to run away at such speed.
Oh my god! Holy Holy
What on earth did this driver do to be chased by such a convoy of police cars? Did he rob a bank or something?
What? They ain't never catching them! They ain't catching them! They ain't catching them, boys! They ain't getting them!
We got one more. He's lagging behind.
Oh, you definitely ain't catching them, buddy! Woo! He's gone!
This scene deserves a spot in Fast and Furious, and you'll understand why in a moment. We're witnessing a gathering of sports car fans and police officers. What follows feels like an XXL version of Catch Me If You Can. Everyone is hyped. It feels like a movie.
You get me? Is he coming? Oh, he's coming. I'm pulling over.
This driver was stopped for speeding, but wait until you see what happens next. He's about to get unbelievably lucky.
Alright, what's your lucky day?
What?
Police officers in England are extremely meticulous. Just sit behind the wheel of a supercar and rev the engine, and they'll quickly come remind you of the rules. If someone tries to overtake you, let them. Don't try to compete. You never know who you're dealing with. being the owner of a BMW sometimes gives you strange ideas. He didn't even have time to warm up.
No. No way.
This motorcyclist saw something coming from afar. Thanks to the camera mounted on his helmet, he's about to record an incredible scene. This driver is taunting the police by drifting around a van. The patrol car, meanwhile, waits patiently for him to finish. It's as if it's saying, "Have your fun, then we'll get serious." This happened in Toronto. The guy in red stole a Porsche, thinking he was in GTA, until a police SUV blocked his path. No more horsepower, only his legs left to escape. This police officer is clever. He sensed trouble coming from afar and took action first. A gentle warning. Not all officers are this considerate, but that's normal. The law must be respected. When people see a police car on the road, they usually slow down, but some do the opposite. It fires them up like it's a challenge.
And we say bye-bye.
This BMW driver really gave the police a hard time during this long chase. Fortunately, they got help from a citizen and set up an incredible trap to force him to stop. I think he'll spend some quality time behind bars. During a police chase, fans are always there yelling and getting excited as if they were dancing around a fire. Some even go as far as intervening, trying to slow the police car down and help the fleeing driver escape. What is this face-off supposed to be?
Holy.
Come on, we're just waiting for the officer to step out. Then we say bye-bye. After the race, everyone scatters. Obviously, a police officer just arrived, but this red Mustang doesn't lose its cool. Watch how it plays with law enforcement. I don't think they caught anything today. Sports car fans love gathering at these events to watch illegal races, but the police always end up dispersing everyone, and that's no small task.
Now gotta get off the street. Get off the street.
That's it, bro. That's just gotta
Get off the street.
do what they say.
Everyone's gotta move.
When two cars are racing, there's always a third one discreetly participating. Bikers love teasing police cars. Never assume you're alone on the road when you're doing something reckless. Well, even if this police car is being taunted, there's no point trying to catch these speed machines with a Ford like that. Some drivers really love pushing their limits. When you act like an idiot in the middle of the city, late at night, it always ends badly. And look at that, in the pure class, a police Dodge Charger. This car is being chased by the police. Look at those dangerous overtakes. It's putting every other driver at risk. He keeps turning and turning, but I'm pretty sure he'll end up finding his destination. Using a phone while driving and filming the police on top of that.
Stop, 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 stop!
Some police officers seem to love car races. It's as if they want to congratulate the winner themselves with handcuffs. You made it all the way to the end. Respect for that. If you enjoyed this one, you're gonna love what's coming next. Here's a perfect pick waiting for you in the recommended videos. And until then, take care.